Hello.
Hey, I'm Keith.
I'm Hiron. Nice to meet you. So the three statements are...
I think the truth would be the last one.
No. I'm a cardist, so I do cardistry for a living. They're sold like in different countries, and then we create tutorials, or we'll tour, and we'll teach people.
So here's my three statements for what I do for a living.
You beautify interiors. I think you do that.
That's the correct one. This is what I do. I'm a painter.
It's crazy, man. It's beautiful.
I work with oil, paint a lot of different kinds of paint as well. Usually I'm like an abstract painter. This one's more like a semi-figurative kind of painting.
Right.
Which is one of my series of work. More inspired by materials and materiality of like things, or like color. Color is another thing that I'm like really like into. Like I think
Yeah,
about
I love the color palette that you're doing.